First thing you're going to do for these honey mustard chicken tenders is you're going to marinate them. So we're going to take a bowl, and we're going to take 1 pound of chicken tenders, drop them in there, and then you're going to pour in about half of that honey mustard. You want to at least leave a half a cup or so for dipping. That's probably good right there. And then you're just going to toss those so that they get coated really, really well. And then the thing is, you're going to let them marinate. Now you can let them marinate for as little as 30 minutes or up to overnight. We'll be back to show you how to finish making your honey mustard chicken tenders. All right, so it has marinated for a little over 30 minutes, and it looks like it's just hanging out in there, doesn't it?
So now we're going to pour in some egg, right?
You are.
How much egg is this?
That is just 1 beaten egg.
1 beaten egg.
Nothing else to it. 1 egg. And you're going to mix that all together real well. We're just going to set that aside a little bit, and you're going to make your crust.
Okay.
And your crust is going to be a cup of pretzels. I just took and crushed these up.
Got out your aggression on something.
I did. I just used a pastry shaper to do it. You can also use a
rolling pin.
Food processor, but you want them kind of coarse. This is 1/3 cup of breadcrumbs.
Okay. Breadcrumbs in.
Yep. And then you're going to have a 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder and 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. And then you're going to want to mix that very well.
You know what this makes me think of?
What is that?
A little bit of Oktoberfest. We've got mustard and pretzel,
I can see that.
although it's normally, you know, like soft pretzels, but that's what this makes me think of.
Now we're going to actually start dipping chicken in there. And what are you going to do? I don't know if we can get all of this on camera at once. Maybe if we put that back there and that right there. So this is our cookie sheet. And
Okay.
before you cover that, we want to spray that down because these things can be kind of sticky. All right, so that's just some non-stick spray
All right, then they go into the pretzel bag.
into the pretzel bath. And you just want to coat them very, very well. Make sure they don't bunch up. Yep, there you go. And you're going to repeat this for all of your chicken tenders. You're going to bake these at 425. And after about 10 minutes, you're going to flip them over and do another 10 minutes. We'll come back after these come out of the oven.
All right.
Alright, so our chicken is out of the oven. So we're just going to plate this up.
Looks good.
Got ourselves a nice little thing with our honey mustard sauce. There you go.
Ah, look at there.
Yep.
Tasty. That's really good.
So if you need something that's fun for family night, something that's real easy,
Let your kids beat those pretzels to death.
and just serve them up. So enjoy this recipe, like, subscribe, do all the things.
And thanks for watching.
And thanks for watching. Watch this recipe next for more great food from Ghost Host Kitchen.
Bye.